Alright folks, JandJ Sports Cards, we got a box of 08 Premier Baseball. Strain's tearing it open. Carl Crawford base. Number 99.
Troy Payton auto.
Troy Patton, number 22/75. Nice.
2/10.
Jose Reyes. Nice card. Jose Reyes there. You Mets fans. 2/10. Nice card. Nice card. Chipper Jones. All you Braves fans. 53/75.
Fred Lewis, 9/15.
First cycle, Fred Lewis. All right, Fred, 9/15.
Ryan Braun.
Oh, that's sweet. Ryan Braun, 4/40. I thought your next card was a Ryan Braun.
And this is a Ken Griffey Jr.
That is cool as hell, dude. That is nice. Look at that. And that is why you come the JandJ Sports Cards. 16/25. First overall pick, 1987, autographed, Ken Griffey Jr. That is a cool card. Check that out. Oh, there it is, folks. A Jose Reyes, got a Troy Patton, Carl Crawford, base, Chipper Jones, Fred Lewis, Ryan Braun, and I'd say the hit of the box, Ken Griffey Jr., first overall pick, 1987, number 16/25. There it is, folks. JandJ Sports Cards. Tune in. Alright, folks. JandJ Sports Cards. We got a box of 07-08 Upper Deck Premier Basketball. Here we go. 2 packs in the building. Looks like Strain's tearing into both of them.
Elton Brand, 27/99.
Who's that? Elton Brand. Little base, 27/99. Dude, who's the next one?
Walking.
That is cool as hell, dude. Bill Walton, 101. Wow, that is nice. Look at that. 101, Bill Walton. 1974 NBA draft pick, number 1. Bill Walton, 101. Check that out. That's a cool card.
Halls, 3/25.
Spencer Halls. 3/25. Nice.
Vince Carter auto, 16/50.
16/50. Vince Carter.
Next card is Joakim Noah.
2/5. Nice little patch here. I don't know not much about basketball, but it's a nice little patch. 2/5. Nice.
No auto, but Kobe Bryant.
Kobe Bryant. He's a good star. Kobe action there. Nice patch. 19/25.
We got a Michael Jordan, Larry Bird, Julius
Wow.
Irving.
Nice, dude. Nice. A Michael Jordan, Larry Bird, Julius Irving, 36/99, man. That was a really nice box. I had to say that was a very, very nice box. See the hit of the box, though. 101, Bill Walton, 1974 NBA draft pick. Manufactured patch, but it's a 101 Bill Walton auto. That was a sweet box, man.
That's a 2/5.
Well, there it is. Kobe Bryant, 19/25, nice patch. Got a Joakim Noah, 2/5 auto. Vince Carter action, Vince Carter auto. And then rookie Spencer Halls, number 3/25. And the last card was the Michael Jordan, Julius Irving.
Yeah, that's a nice card.
Nice card right there. Tune in, JandJ Sports Cards. Alright folks, JandJ Sports Cards, we got yet another box, second and final box. 07-08 Upper Deck Premier Basketball. It's a limited product here. I'd say Strain did pretty good so far. Last box had a 101 to Bill Walton in it. Auto.
Brandon
So what we got here.
5/9.
Brandon Wright, base.
Chauncey Billups.
Chauncey Billups, number 7/50. Manufactured patch.
Joakim Noah.
Got the same guy you had before. Joakim Noah, Bulls Premier Rookie Auto.
This is very nice.
Next card's very nice.
Dennis Rodman 2/10.
Wow, that's cool. Dennis Rodman 2/10 auto.
AC Law.
Next card, 22/75. Here's it, AC Law from the Hawks. Morris Almond, Premier Rookies, number 52/199.
Too bad it's not auto. Number 3/35. Julius Erving though.
Nice, that is a cool card. Last card, 3/35. We are in the South Jersey area, so a lot of Sixers fans around here. Got a nice patch. Julius Erving, number 3/35. Wasn't as good as the other box, but I'd say it's a pretty good box.
I'd say this to hit
The Rodman.
right here.
2/10. Nice card. All strings did pretty good. You got 4 autos. Yep. There it is. Tune in. JandJ Sports Cards.